Hi Ben.
Hi Paolo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, so we're 6 months into the Monica project now. Tell me a bit about how it all kind of started in the first place.
I was chatting on LinkedIn with a colleague of mine, and then he said, I'm actually putting together a large H2020 project. The whole thing was about cancelling noise coming from the Tivoli Gardens during the rock concerts. He then wanted to expand that to make it a European project. Then I told him I could help if I could include video surveillance and security. I started thinking of partners that could collaborate with us. You are, of course, one of the first partners I invited. What about you? What do you think about Monica? What do you think?
The kind of headline of Monica is about the noise cancellation. You know, aside from that, there's these kind of other use cases. The concert goers have like a kind of RFID wristband with kind of LEDs. So the video analytics detects that over in some part of the stadium there's some kind of fight, or like maybe the area's getting particularly crowded. Then the security guard, who maybe has a kind of smarter wristband, can kind of pull up something on his wristband and have a look at the video. Maybe he can send a drone, over there to go and have a closer look at what's actually going on.
Okay, what do you think about the KTP program?
It's funded by the UK government in order to kind of transfer some of the knowledge which is in academia, into kind of industry. The way that's done is you kind of hire an associate who spends most of their time in the business, so at VCA, but then they spend 1 or 2 days a week working with an academic team here in order to kind of soak up the knowledge and then put that in practice, working on an actual project inside like VCA Technology. And I think it also benefits that actual individual, because they get experience of the kind of the real commercial world. So they get to learn about how to kind of write commercial quality software. They get to learn about some of the constraints that you have in the commercial world.
This will be very good for us as well, because we usually develop algorithms that run on laboratory examples of real scenes. So for us it would be very good actually to be able to deploy that in a commercial world.
It's been really good to catch up, Paolo.
Fantastic, same here.